Oh, so cute. I know, that's how I would get too. Hold up, that girl looks all manly though. Where'd you go? Oh, there you go.
I could be getting
Why are you digging, silly? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you pressed that arrow button, huh? Oh. Then you stopped it. It's recording! It is! It's recording! Okay! Say hi. Who is that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Look at Matt. Oh my gosh. Celine, move. Matt, do something.
I don't have a glow stick. I can't do nothing.
Someone give him a glow stick.
I can like just kind of dance. No, now you need the strobe light.
It finished? Oh. Okay, yeah, him drinking water. Dance with the devil, oh Lord.
Yeah, both of y'all. You're like, yeah. Like, really supposed to go though.
Here, you hold it now.
Huh?
You hold it now.
You start jumping on me, I can't do that. You can barely see anything.
I know, but I just will do that.
Yeah. It goes like going backwards, but then forward. Oh yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah, so it looks
Next one gets you?
I guess.
That's the devil to y'all. Yeah.
Stop now.
Okay, I don't know.
Dude, that looks like a cartoon thingamajigger.
Yeah! I need more bass, like more beats. Yeah. I got like something else to it.
I can't stop it! Oh, good job, bro. It is so cool, man. We got like videos of this, so you guys see this. It looks so good. Watch, get in like the light. See it closer to it. Follow the light. Yeah, it looks so cool. Watch, spin those things. Oh heck yes, that's so hot, man.
Come on.
Cool.
Come on, let's go.
You do it. You get that. We're gonna dance. Go swing. Yes. I don't like this music though.
What does it look like?
It's like really slow on here.
Oh, it doesn't even look that good though. That's the reason where it's all dark.
Can you come over here right now?
You have to be in the back of it to see it.
Yeah. Dude, so we can ride it together, man. I know. Go.
Please stay over there next to the light. You're going off straight all the time.
You're not gonna die.
Yeah,
No, but it's not the camera.
No,
It's the light.
I know, but like a flash.
I know, but that's because
It's not.
it's not the camera. The camera's off.
Like at midnight.
This is on mine too.
It could be like the middle of the story.
Take my booty. I think it goes in between.
Yes, man.
Go sit, go sit. Dude, you're like a natural glow sticky. I'm pissed now.
Oh!
Okay, I gotta go. We have to go home.
Damn, that's really?
Yeah.